Hey there. So, you know how frustrating it is to deal with a flat tire, especially on the side of the road or like late at night? I recently got this Viver electric car jack as a gift from the brand to try it out. So, I definitely wanted to let you guys know what we thought. I put my dad to the test for it, so he was the best one to let review it. So traditional jacks, yeah, they're not the easiest to deal with, lots of cranking and frustration, right? This jack solves all of that. It's electric and super easy to use, so you can lift your car without breaking a sweat. The first thing that blew us away is the wireless design. It comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts long enough to handle up to 10 lifts on a full charge. And this remote control, you can lift your car from over 16 feet away. No more crouching down and cranking. It works on vehicles up to about 5 tons, so it's perfect for SUVs, trucks, or even sedans. The lifting range is pretty impressive too, about 6 inches up to 17.5 inches. So it's got you covered for different chassis heights. Plus, there's a non-slip pad on the top to keep everything stable and secure while you lift it. Another cool feature is the built-in LED light. It's perfect for emergencies at night, so you're not fumbling around in the dark trying to see what you're doing. And of course, it's designed with safety in mind. The jack stays secure and stable while you lift. So whether you're a road tripper, a DIYer, or just want to be prepared for the unexpected, this jack makes tire changes way easier. Definitely worth checking out.